Hello, kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're stopping by this channel for the first time, you're welcome to this beautiful and amazing channel. You're watching Fashion Trends with Emily, and on this channel, we share different kinds of African print and Ankara inspiration for your viewing pleasure.
Silhouettes of you are
So,
like a
if you're looking for
taunt.
any kind of
Never really know
African
just what you
fashion
want.
inspiration,
With you I
ranging
don't ever
from
feel calm.
Ankara
I
dresses,
can feel the sweat
skirt
inside my
and
palms.
blouse, trouser
Play
and
with me like
top,
cats and a
head
string.
wraps, and different
You don't
kinds of
understand the pain it
African
brings.
fashion styles.
You
You
don't
will
ever
find
wanna
it
give me
here.
wings.
So if that sounds like
You don't
something
ever
that
wanna set
interests
me
you,
free.
do well to
You
hit
know
on
I'm
the
addicted
subscribe
to you,
button
and it's
and turn
twisted.
on
You've been
post
gifted with the
notifications
evil
so you
voodoo.
get
Got me
notified
coming back for more,
whenever
even
we
when I've been
post a new
screwed.
video
Dolls
on
full
this
of pins,
channel.
pierce my
And
heart
to my
straight through.
returning subscribers,
I
hi,
got issues in
welcome
my
back.
head. I like you
Thank
in
you
my
for
bed,
always
but you keep
coming
me
back
on
to
red.
watch my videos.
Oh,
I do not
everything
take your
is like a
support for
test. I better
granted.
not
You
text or I'll
guys are
come
the
off
real
desperate.
MVP, and you know I love you all so much. Thank you, thank you, and thank you again. So, guys, do well to watch this video to the end and give it a huge thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Until I see you again next time, I remain your humble host, Emily, and have an amazing
So
morning,
if I play
afternoon, or
dead,
evening,
will you
wherever
regret
you are watching
everything
Fashion
that you
Trends with
did, that
Emily
you
from.
said?
Until
I don't
next
think you
time, kiss,
understand what
kiss,
you're
bye.
doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats